Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this puzzle page, the puzzle page of the weekend edition, Saturday, Sunday, January the 6th or 7th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles in this puzzle page: the 3-star Sudoku and the killer Sudoku. So two puzzles are left. One of these binary and the jigsaw Sudoku. And let me start with the binary puzzle, boys and girls. You are interested in the binary? Yes, because it's binary time. And it's a 10 by 10 puzzle. But first, this one will be number 7750. 7750. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits, and it's a 10 by 10. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 O's and 5 1s. So let's get started. Let me start with the ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. 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 Okay. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the O's comes an 1. And between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the O's comes an 1. And between the ones comes an O. Then between the ones comes an O. We have here, let me count. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. Double between two O's comes an 1. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Okay, between the O's comes an 1. Then I need to think. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between is always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, this one is not easy. Where's the opening? Between two ones comes an O, overlooked. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If we place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I place number 5 there, the fifth a 1, then these two boxes should be no then. but we have 3 O's in a row. In this row, not allowed, one of the rules. So it can be 1 here. This should be no. Okay. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, 5 there. Yeah. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here should be over. Also O and a 1. O and a 1. O and a 1. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. We have here 4 ones in the second column. If we place number 5 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. If we place number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, the fifth 1 there, then we still have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be a no. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If we place number 5 here, the fifth O, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and a no between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1 then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So that's not O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Well. Here we have 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then these 2 boxes should be a 1 then. But then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed. One of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1. Here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, the fifth O, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Between 2 ones comes a no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O, so the rest are 1s. Finish in 7 minutes. Well, without comparing, we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.